Wyatt. Oh, hi, baby. Oh, look over here, hon. Wyatt. Bub. Hey, hon. Look over. Oh. Are you laughing and smiling? Are you talking, hon? What are you smiling about? Oh, you're laughing and laughing. What are you talking about? Are you so happy? Look at that cute baby. Those little baby feet. Oh, so cute. That was funny. Funny.
Ooh, yeah. Who's Wyatt in the gym?
Well, hopefully he'll take care of it, but we just wanted him to have one. Yeah, it is. But, you know, I just wanted him to have one. I haven't done anything for him in a while. He came out here and it's been great, so. And he'll really like it, I think. Oh my god, you're missing the cutest thing. Wyatt's sitting here in this little activity gym. He's like laughing and cooing. Brett's filming me. And Lucy's got her head on Brett's lap. So cute.
Ooh, yeah, hi. Cuckoo. Talking to Grandma?
What do you have to say, Bubby? Did you hear him at all? Oh, could you hear? You just hear him breathing. But did you hear him coo at all?